Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to fix the error message can't connect securely to this page. So this is what the error message looks like. I got this error message when I was trying to download something using WeTransfer and it was incredibly annoying. So I will show 6 solutions. The first solution is clearing cache in your browser. So I'll be showing how to do this in both Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So to do this in Chrome, you open it up and then go to the 3 dots in the top right and then go down to settings and then scroll down and select clear browsing data. I would recommend selecting everything, but generally you want to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. And then you will select clear data. So to do this in Microsoft Edge, you open it up and then go to the top right 3 dots, very similar to Chrome. Go down to settings and then you want to go to privacy and security and then go to choose what to clear. Generally I would select everything, but the most important is cache data and files, and select clear. So that is solution number 1. Solution number 2 is to reset the browser settings. So to do this, you do Windows and R to open run and type in inetcpl.cpl and then click enter or OK. And then you want to go to advanced and you want to click on reset. So if you haven't got delete personal settings, what you can do is click reset and then try that. And if that doesn't work, you can come back and then select delete personal settings. So when you click reset, it will come up with 3 ticks and you can click close. And then I would recommend resetting the browser, closing it down and then opening it back up. So if that doesn't work, you can go back to the same view and try the third method, which is enabling TLS protocols. So you want to do Windows R, cpl.cpl. So for the third solution, what you want to do is go to advanced and then scroll down to security. And then you want to select TLS 1.2. So if it's not selected, select that. And then you can click apply. And then I would recommend resetting the browser. So turning off, turning it back on. And then try that. So the fourth solution is to stay in this box. So if you've closed it down, open it back up again. You can do that by going Windows plus R and then typing in inetcpl.cpl. So this time go to security and then go to custom level. And you want to scroll down to mixed contents. Quite difficult to find. It's around halfway. And it should be here. So for some of you, it might be selected on display. I would recommend selecting prompt. And then click OK. And then close down the browser and then reopen it. So if that still isn't working, then I've got 2 more solutions for you. And that's resetting the network configuration settings. So to do that, we want to go into CMD. So go to search, type in CMD. And then you want to put in the following commands. I will put these commands in the link description. winsock reset, enter, and then net int IP reset, enter, and then IP config space / release, enter, IP config space / renew. And then IP. So when that's done, IP config / flush DNS, and then enter. And then what I'd recommend doing is shutting down Windows, restarting it, and then opening it up. So if that still isn't working, then I've got one more solution for you, and I found that this actually works for me. So it was the sixth solution that worked. So you want to do Windows and an R, and let's type inetcpl.cpl. Okay, so you want to select your network. If you're not sure which one it is, it will usually come up with like a green signal. So this is my one. You want to right click on it. I'm going to go to properties. Okay. So then you want to go to Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. Okay. And you want to type in the following commands. So you want to type 8.8.4.4 here, and then 8.8.8.8. Okay. And then when you've done that, click validate settings upon exit, and then click OK. And then I would recommend opening up the web browser and then trying there. So there are some solutions, and I hope that has helped you. So I've got these solutions from a very useful website. I was actually recommended this by WeTransfer. I made this tutorial because I had an issue when I was downloading from WeTransfer, and WeTransfer recommended me this website, which I'll include in the link description. So I have to give them full credit for producing this article, but I wanted to make a video tutorial for people that would rather watch how to fix it. So if you did find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. If you are having any issues, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to reply. But apart from that, thanks very much for watching.